Okay, we're here today with our fake patient Leslie, who's agreed to let us videotape her, right? You did say we could, didn't you?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. And you have a spot here, we've noticed. Why don't you get a close-up on that, Gonzo? Get right in there.
Okay, pain scale 1 to 10.
So far, I haven't felt anything yet. This is called an actinic keratosis, and this is a result of you having been a sun worshiper. If you look at her back, you can see she's got lots of dark spots and freckles, and she's got one little pore of whiner there. This is a little pore of whiner. Don't show your face. Okay, and show my crooked little finger there. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to freeze this one and get rid of it. This one we'll take care of some other time. Very busy. We don't have time to do it today, but we'll take care of it. That one? Oh, we just open it up. We'll get it for you another time. You ready? Don't pull so hard. Wait, can we lift up?
Yeah.
Because I want to be able to really get... There we go. What we're going to do is we're going to spray you with liquid nitrogen. It's going to be cold. It'll sting for just... Are you cold already?
No. I'm not ready.
You're preparing.
Nervous.
All right, first little spray. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Now don't jump.
Oh,
There you go. Now we have to let that thaw out, so we'll wait just a moment. Now, how was that on a scale of 1 to 10?
that was about a 5.
Was it about a 5?
That wasn't bad.
It wasn't that bad. I told you that Gonzo froze a spot on my forehead a couple of weeks ago.
Is her name Gonzo?
No, my name's
That's her name. Her name's Gonzo.
It's not my name.
You have a scar here.
I had a voluntary mastectomy and I had reconstruct and I got staph and lost one of my implants and they had to do I look like a patch quilt.
Really? So you got a staph infection on the
Big
implant?
Bang or Dallas.
Wow.
Then after that I had 7 surgeries to fix it. And
Bless your heart.
Kept telling the doctor, can I have a clean room this time?
Oh, that's harsh, Gonzo. That is harsh. I'm feeling here to make sure this is thawed out. We want this to completely thaw before you freeze it again.
You talk about some pain.
That was bad.
Oh my God.
That was a big ordeal. But you're okay now.
I'm okay. It split open my incision.
Mm-hmm.
Like it looked like a horror film. It just split open and just.
That's awful.
It was gross.
That is really awful. I'm glad you're over that though. Almost ready. We want this again. We want 2 complete freeze-thaw cycles. There we go.
I thought about going back and getting redone because it looks really bad, but.
Well, we're not going to ask you to show us on video that. Well, no. I mean, we don't
I'm not
want to
very proud.
We don't want to do that. All right, here we go. You ready for the second freeze? Mm-hmm. Take a deep breath and. That's it.
It didn't hurt.
Good.
Can
we do it again and make it hurt? No. No.
You just have to.
All right, all you have to do on that is nothing. Leave it alone. It'll be angry for a few days, and then it'll dry up and it'll peel off.
Okay.
If it doesn't completely go away, next time you're in, you let me know, and we'll check it again, okay? And this other spot you had is called a pore of whiner. Basically what that is that's a little blackhead right there.
You can't pop it up.
We don't have time today. No, we don't want to, because those actually hurt. We'll do a little injection and then we'll open that and we'll get that out.
Okay.
But we'll do that next time. Okay. We want to save something exciting to do for our next visit.
Hey folks, you've heard from hundreds of people who have benefited from Dr. Gilmore's Meta 7. And you've seen celebrities and fitness experts talk about Thynergy. Now it's time to pick up the ultimate weight loss pack, Thynergy and Meta 7 together. Activate your life with more energy from Meta 7, then curb your appetite and burn those calories with Thynergy. Check out the Amazon links below and start losing weight today.